Hey, Kylie here with the Funnel Flippers. We have some big updates inside of HighLevel Social Planner that we're going to go over today. A little bit of a warning. We don't really use a social planner. We don't really post to social much, and half of our accounts are clearly disconnected by the way this looks. So don't mind that. You're going to get the same content regardless, but you're going to see, obviously, things aren't really set up 100% on our end. So note to self, fix that. So, social planner, this area is going to pretty much look the same. Nothing too crazy here. Obviously, we have our content where we can do the recurring review, RSS, template, all that good stuff, approval, and category queue. This is kind of what's exciting. So, this wasn't here previously. You can now go ahead and actually manage all of your comments inside of this area. Let me see if I can go back 700 years to when we actually did use this so we can get a good example for you. It's still saying there's none, which is crazy. Again, I think it's disconnected, but you can go ahead and do top comments, all comments. You can search comments by words and actually manage those directly in here. That's not the super exciting thing that I wanted to show you. Statistics, you're obviously going to have this here where you can look at your different stats and just kind of get an idea of what's going on, what your top posts are. However, we have a new thread, or new area. I was looking at the word thread, called social listening. And apparently it's going to get way more powerful. But this is the super, super cool thing. You can literally look at trends across every social network that plugs into HighLevel so that you can quickly identify areas that you can create content. So these are obviously going to have the top trends for different, here's a search query. So I can literally click them. It's going to take me directly to these options. Meet Halloween. So if I click Halloween, it's going to say, hey, okay, here is the search Halloween. Here's kind of what the top things are going on there. But it's going to literally link out to all of the different social networks, which is super cool. It's going to make content creation and social media managers' lives so much easier. You can look at top songs on TikTok. You can look at Pinterest keywords, Google Trends, all different types of things. You can go ahead and refresh. And it's going to be pretty much the same, obviously, because the last time I looked at this was approximately 37 seconds ago. But it's just going to allow you to really take insights on what's trending across all of the different social channels and take action on those really quickly. And then, all right, I don't think there's anything crazy in here that I missed. But if you have any questions on that, definitely let us know. We expect this area to be updated over the coming months and add in some new things, possibly even some like filtering options, fingers crossed. So again, if you have questions, definitely let us know and we will chat with you soon.